All right, welcome back to Messing with Mopars. So I got the radiator out. I was gonna get underneath there and disconnect the torque converter bolts in the bottom and get the starter out, but you know how all plans are subject to change. I got a bit of a flood, a little bit of an oil leak down there from spilling oil. So I'm cleaning. I got some absorbent pads on there. I'm cleaning that up. So we'll just focus on getting that engine out tomorrow morning. Should be out by lunchtime. I don't see any reason why it can't be. So it's, I don't know, January 10th, something like that, right? So I got a Christmas present for my kid. He he got tired of rolling up the hose. And so his buddy got one for his dad, and his buddy's now up in Fort Mac. And so we're gonna do an unboxing here of this Mastercraft hose reel, and we're gonna have a look, see what it looks like. And I'll just adjust you a little bit, and let's see. Okay. Can't have enough styrofoam. Okay. Got some pretty good gravity to it, actually. Seems pretty solid. Comes with some quick bolts for the concrete. And our instruction book. Okay, well, I think we'll just lag bolt it to the wall because the only concrete is the block wall above us here, and not really, it's not solid filled, so it won't really work. Uh-oh. Got a bit of a kink in the hose from sitting, I'm guessing. Oh, it's come out pretty nice. Stops well. That's okay. We'll just cut that there. We'll slide that up. We'll just cut that there and get a nipple end on that. No big deal. Yeah, that retracts pretty nice. Okay. Oh yeah, I got a couple of 2-inch lag bolts. We'll just bolt that up there. That'll hold that on that wall pretty nice. We'll get it up high so it won't be smacking anybody in the noodle. Maybe I'll think of something else. Comes pre-taped. We'll retape it anyhow because that goop sometimes doesn't work and it looks like it's wore off there a little bit. Perfect. All right. Seems like that should be a good deal. And then we also got one more thing here. Not sure what this is, so we'll all be surprised. How's that? Oh, garbage spacer. Nice. Feels like it's composite. Yep. Couple of gaskets. Looks like it's pretty high quality, well machined. Well, why don't I grab an intake? I'm gonna flop on an intake. There we go. Good, doing a little deburring in there. Let's see if we can get you guys in there. Dang thing. Okay, sorry. You see the edges here. So we could probably clean that up a little bit. Let's put a little chamfer on there with the deburring tool. Well, all right. Thanks for coming along for the ride. You guys have a great night.